Hey, good morning guys. I'm tired, but I was sitting here eating. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna do what I eat in a day because I made something pretty amazing actually. Not my own creation, however, lots of inspiration from plant-based dads. I watched one of their videos about how to make your own just egg, and I liked it. When I used to eat it, obviously, you know, there's oil and stuff in it, so I don't eat it anymore. But when I did eat it, I did like it. The recipe, it's not spot on. Obviously, there's no oil, and that oil really changes the consistency. But the flavor is hands down delicious. And I don't even want to say like, or feel like I'm eating eggs. I'm just eating food, and it tastes good. So anyways, let me show you what it looks like. Show you what I got. All right, so, oops, dropped my fork. This is the consistency, right? So it kind of has like an eggy consistency. I put onions, peppers, mushrooms, and then my dogs are barking, garlic, and I did kale. I don't think I'll do the kale again. I was trying something different. I should have done mushrooms, but anyways. And then I just put it on a bed of hash browns. So yeah, it's actually really good. I mean, I was trying to make it like an omelet, but it was not possible. So, and you need a really good non-stick pan because this stuff, it's beans, you know, so it sticks. But yeah, let me show you the beans that I got. This is the beans, and I couldn't find them locally. I think some videos that I watched, people were able to find them like at Walmart, but I looked at mine. But they're basically mung beans, and these are split mung beans as well. So anyways, but check out like the nutrition. So that's really good, I think. I'm getting a lot of protein in this meal, which is wonderful, obviously. And I don't know, I just, I'm enjoying it, and I wanted to share it. And I will link their video in the description below. So if you want to go check it out, I think it's worth a watch, you know. So it's Saturday morning, and I'm the only one up right now. But what time is it? It's almost 8 o'clock. My friend has a gym membership at Planet Fitness, and I'm gonna go with her today. So I'm eating really, you know, high protein, healthy, some carbs before I go, and I think this will be great for my workout. I used to have a gym membership there, and then I canceled it because I just can't seem to get there, you know. I would love to be able to do it again, but I'd have to find the time, you know. And with the weather getting ready to change and be nice outside, I just presume to work out in the fresh air and get that vitamin D, right? And then maybe consider it like in the winter time, I don't know. Another thing is, I don't really like going by myself. I will go, and the one that I like, we have two within a 20-minute span to drive, and the one is not very clean and things like that, and the other one's like really clean, but it's always packed. Like, I think everybody knows to go over to the other one because it's so much nicer. So we have another little gym not far from our house, actually, like maybe 5 miles. And they're a nice looking gym. It's one of them keyless ones where you have like a card and it opens up the door. They're open up 24 hours a day. I can't remember the name of it now, but they're really expensive. I mean, you can go and get a membership at Planet Fitness just for yourself for 10 bucks a month, or 20 for yourself and a guest, and also you can have access to like the massage beds and chairs and things like that after your workout, which is kind of cool. I think it's totally worth the $20, but I'm gonna say this one out here, I think it's like 40. It was expensive, and I would like to put my family on it because like my kids want to go. My youngest is 14 now, and he's actually said a couple times he'd love to go to a gym, so I don't know. Kind of torn. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, drink me a bottle of water, and go to the gym. And I'll be back at lunchtime and show you what I eat then. Whew, okay. That was fun. I have not gone for like a real workout like that in a while. It's not time, but I'm telling you what, that felt good. My body feels good. Feels weak because I haven't worked out like that in so long. But anyways, gonna go ahead and enjoy this banana here and head home and drink some water and get me something else to eat for like lunch. It's 12:15 now. And my son, he's got to go to a birthday party today, so I gotta go take him, drop him off. But yeah, that was very enjoyable. Fortunate I had a friend that has a membership. I actually got a couple friends that got a membership, so, and my other friend was like, we need to go, and I was like, yeah, absolutely. So anyways, I had my breakfast, and now I'm gonna have this banana. I think when I get home, I'm gonna have some grapes. I bought the best grapes yesterday. I bought cotton candy and some red seedless grapes. I can't remember what the name of them were. Like sugar something. Oh my goodness, they are to die for. So tasty and sweet. And I don't know, I've just been on a grape kick for a long time now. And it's true, when you eat like this, like your body starts actually craving what you're putting in it, right? So just stick with it. And if you're just beginning, you know, the best advice is just keep continuing to make the best choices that you can, and your body will definitely start getting used to it. Somebody's walking out. I always feel so shy talking to a camera. All right, I'm gonna finish this, head home, and I'll see you in the next clip. All right, I am back at home, getting ready to eat. I have made me a nice big salad here. I got tomatoes, cucumber, spring lettuce with some cabbage, onion, peppers, and for my dressing, I made, I guess you would call it like a hummus, but the flavor is dill, and oh my gosh, it's so good. So I'll take this, and this will be my, you know, protein and my carbs, but it smells just like dill. But I'm gonna put this in my salad, stir it up, and it's absolutely amazing. Well, I'm gonna have some grapes, and I was a little disappointed when I opened it up because this was filled. I guess my kids like grapes too. I'm not disappointed, but like, thanks for leaving me some. I guess I have to go back to the grocery store and go get me some more grapes. But anyways, I'm making something really delicious. I'm making some potato fries and Brussels sprouts. And for my seasoning, I did balsamic vinegar and Dijon mustard. And I soaked the Brussels sprouts in it, and I put it all in the air fryer. And I got a little bit of sauce left over. I'm gonna drizzle it over top of the potato fries. So that's what I'm gonna eat now. Nothing really big, because it's kind of like, it's like middle of the day, 3:30. It's like that time where you don't want to eat and be done for the rest of the day, because I'm sure I'll be hungry later. But I don't want to eat anything like really heavy either, so I'm gonna snack on these grapes, and I'll show you my food when it comes out of the air fryer. I'm sitting here laughing because I said I was gonna make a little, you know, something small to eat, but this is what we got. Looks good, right? So, like I said, I just did some Brussels sprouts. Mine were already cooked. I know they look burnt, but they were already cooked and soft, so the air fryer just kind of crisped them up. I think they get real dark and they look burnt like that because of the Dijon mustard on it. But yeah, they're not burnt, they don't taste burnt. They're actually very delicious, and I like them a little crispy on the edges. And then I just had some white potatoes, and I cut 2 of those up in wedges, and I'm gonna say this is my snack. However, it looks more like a meal, and I'll probably eat later. It'll probably be later though, you know. So I'm gonna go enjoy this. Give it a try. Don't knock it till you try it. It's awesome. Well, I forgot to close out the video last night. We had some friends come over and then ended up staying up really late. But I did eat one little snack later on. I had a banana. I was starving last night. So needless to say, this morning, I got a breakfast. And look at that. Oh gosh. So I have broccoli, peppers, onion, garlic, mushroom, and the veggies. And then this is just hash browns that I put on my little griddle or whatever. But I love how these cook up. I just roll them up. And I've actually made like hash brown omelets, if you will, like where I put the veggies in it and rolled it up. It's really good. But anyways, I'm hungry. I'm gonna go ahead and drink my Celsius. But I'm gonna close out the video right there. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe. I am on a weight loss journey, and I've lost 60 pounds. And I wanna lose 40 more to be at my goal weight. And I'm on that path, and I hope that you can follow along and maybe learn something. You know, I'm learning as I go along as well, and maybe we could just all learn together. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in another video.